who this is.
I think I know whose that is.
Oh, I know, right? It's mine.
Wow.
Isn't it? Oh, yes, this is mine.
You like it?
Yes.
Whoa.
But the most one I like was this.
Mm-hmm.
Because it has lighter. You see that?
Yeah.
But I like this dress too.
Mm-hmm. Good. I'm glad you like the dress I bought.
I knew that could be mine.
Oh.
Because I know it's a dress.
Are you happy?
Yes.
What
This is Mommy's.
What are you going to say?
Thank you.
You are very welcome.
I mean, thank you. Because you got me 3 dresses. True. Let's see. Wait, how much clothes around me? I just noticed something about the shirt. Who is this?
I think that's for me.
And why is it? Oh, because it's short.
Mm-hmm.
And a matching pair with it.
You see, this is my dress.
And this is my dress.
Yeah. There's one more.
That's the last one.
Oh, this is shorts. This is my shorts.
I want to wear one of my dresses.
You wanna wear it?
Yeah, one of them.
Okay, hold on.
I'm going to put on the first dress I found. Second dress, I found this pretty one, so I have to wear that. That's my rule. That counts. That's my rule. Ew, that does match, right?
Yeah.
You could do that for swimming, actually.
Exactly. This is for swimming.
And over here is for swimming. Mama, remember last time when you were at Middlesex pool?
Yeah, we're gonna go there again. That's why.
Yeah, you were wearing a swimsuit that time, so you basically have 3 swimsuits.
Yeah, and you know what happened?
What?
When I jumped in the water, my swim foot fell off and that was very embarrassing. I don't know if they saw me. They saw my didi.
Do not do that ever again. Do not. If you do that again,
How am I going to lock it?
how are you going to lock it?
Hmm.
Stop being like, how are we going to lock this thing? It's so hard for me because I'm a mommy and I'm a doctor.
This is very strange. I can't lock it.
I can't lock
But
it.
it's pretty.
It's pretty. I have something.
Oh, don't open it. Put it back. Because that is extra bottom. Let's see for your dress. Let's see if one of the bottom of your dress will disappear. Disappear.
So then you could get another one. The first dress I'm wearing.
Wow.
Am I gonna put them on with this?
Yeah, let's.
Uh-huh.
Because we're gonna wash it. We're gonna wash it and then you can wear it in the summer, you know.
But I want to wear it now. And we're inside apartment.
Look at that.
Look at
Look
that.
how beautiful it is. I got the size 7 because I want you to still have it when you're 7 or 6. Okay, come here.
It's pretty.
Let's change that. Let's change it.
Let's change it to the second one.
Come on.
Ugh.
We're going to wash it today.
That was tiring.
Alright, come over here.
Oh, this is a pretty one. What is the size? Doesn't have one.
I don't know. I think this is 5'6".
5'6". 5, 6, or 7, or 6. Ooh. This looks kind of like a waiter
Whoa.
dress. A waiter dress.
Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
You like it?
Yes. And for at least the last this.
You wanna try that also?
Yes.
Okay, take that off.
I have to try it first before I try these. I gotta try that.
Okay, take that off.
Okay.
Come here. Oh, this looks like perfect size. I got the perfect size.
That looks like the prettiest dress I saw. I want to wear this though without this, what I'm wearing already.
Hold on, hold on.
I'm just going to do this.
No, done.
And if I do this, it looks prettier, doesn't it?
Raffle dress. This is what we call raffle dress.
Raffle?
You're gonna be prettier when you don't have this on. How about that? You like it? Look at that. That's. You like it, Laura?
Mm-hmm.
Good job.